Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel at Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has done it again. New album drop, viewers and subscribers. Make sure you grab your copy. Make sure you tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them, to go grab them copy. Available worldwide and all digital and streaming platforms, viewers and subscribers. Now, bridging the generational gap, viewers and subscribers, with music, Vybz Kartel has done so. And we can't get tired to talk about this. We have seen it where parents and them you are both fans of Vybz Kartel. Both the previous generation and the current one as well. Now there are new platforms, viewers and subscribers, in which music has now been incorporated, where fans and users of the platform can all a vibe and all a joy. And Tik Tok, viewers and subscribers, is at the forefront of Wagwan currently. And dancehall music with over 200 million posts. Yes, around dancehall, centered around dancehall music and dancehall artists, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel is one of the most popular dancehall artists there. Now, recently we hear Shaggy make a statement. Same plan for release an album. We're going to talk about it in a minute. But we are pointing out this. Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, and even his current track titled Cute Rider. People that talk about the reggaeton fusion and the vibe of the track, and them have a whole heap of things to say. Now notice this. The platform Tik Tok is where people can lip sync and dance to their favorite tracks. It is no surprise that Vybz Kartel's music, viewers and subscribers, has been doing so well on the platform. With that dancing energy in mind, even though the artist is not a skanker, you know there's something got hardcore dancehall, authentic dancehall artists, but still having that in mind, knowing that the fans will love this. And if you check out Wagwan right now, one of the most reposted artists and him sang them are Vybz Kartel. Now, viewers and subscribers, Shaggy has said he is planning to release a project titled Hot Shot 2020, viewers and subscribers, and he said it is geared towards the new generation of listeners who have recently started discovering Jamaican music via TikTok. And that's true, we see some whole heap of Caucasians, some Asians, you name them. I listen to dancehall music and I make them video them. And via TikTok, them start to hear these music because the songs are there. Now, he's saying, and his producer is also saying this, that he should have not re-recorded his album, knowing that, you know what I mean, he has a certain type of legacy. But that is where Vybz Kartel and his style of music also forward in again, viewers and subscribers. The fact that you have to be a true visionary, you have to be somebody who acknowledges the fact that technology and its innovations will impact music, and you have to be at the forefront of that you not have to go do a re-record your song them because you want to put it on a certain platform and gear it towards that certain type of listener. It is something to be done. What Shaggy do is unprecedented. There's never been an artist who have a hit song, a song like, let's say, Bombastic, which I would say has been mixed and remixed by all kind of DJs all over the world. So, that's strange to the ears of the fans. And him probably just do it before somebody else do it, because somebody else might do it. So, you know what I mean? With that being said, we have never seen that though. So, step forward with a new thinking and a new mindset. But viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is an artist that, from the advent of technology and the impact we have in a dancehall music currently, because from a teacher found out in a O2. Remember, those were the years of the Napster and the different platforms you could get the music. But the teacher recognized that the fact that people could readily get music, and the fact that the listeners want music on a regular basis. Let's just say that. Fans of any artist would I love if them artists put out 5 new songs every single day. And them that listen, all of them. I just that say you have only other things that go into making music. So, you have shows, tours, you still have a life to live. These are still individuals who become superstars, who still have a life to maintain. Some of them have youth, some of them have different responsibilities, some of them are entrepreneurs themselves too. Some of them have them business to run and take care of, as in the case of Rihanna right now, why we not get our 2 albums then yet. Because the Fendi line do extremely well and she have focus on what going with that, so it can go and run without she have put much attention towards it. Now, Tik Tok viewers and subscribers, yes, we have to acknowledge the fact that in this day and age, one of the apps that are at the forefront of the new technological revolution, in which people can do different things with the music. You know what I mean? And a different way to enjoy the music. That karaoke vibe thing there, and the fact that they can save your video, share it with your friends. You know what I mean? It kind of gives that energy. So, with that alone being said, we are say, yo, it's a good move. We know say this generation of fans of music, especially the ones who weren't aware of Vybz Kartel music, the Caucasians, the one that live in some deep part of Europe where them don't know no dancehall, some of them don't even really know reggae. And from listen to me, if you go a part of the world that people know reggae, that means they're far in one part. Listen to me. Anytime you find yourself in a part of the world where they don't know Bob Marley, they don't know Vybz Kartel, they don't know reggae, they don't know dancehall, they don't know hip hop, yo, you're there in one part. Hey, you're there far in one part. Now, TikTok viewers and subscribers, because people have internet and access to the internet in Europe, even though them probably not watch the same TV stations or listen to the same music like us, them have access to these apps, and them download these apps, and them see what other people are listening to, what people are all are vibe to, them see the different challenges, worth it, challenge, go on, you know the something go. And them pay attention, and them gravitate, them hear the news, and them like it. They like it so much that them dance and video themselves and put it out there. The teacher's music has transcended boundaries, barriers, viewers and subscribers, even the age gap. And for majority of artists with a dancehall or reggae, that is something yo, you know it's hard to do that. You know it's hard to have a generation of fans. And then remember, you have a generation of fans. And they have a next generation we are followed up. And for also turn that generation into fans. And even the generation we are followed after them. That is not a simple accomplishment. And a normal accomplishment, viewers and subscribers. And every artist can boast about that. Some people might have a name. Like, they might hear the name Beanie from time to time. So they know Beanie Man. You know what I mean? But they're not listening to Beanie song. Bounty Killer being a legend in the game. You have only people who know Bounty. Them know say man are a superstar that. But not all of them know songs from Bounty. They might know a line. You know what I mean? I remember Bounty have some hits on me, I tell you say. You start singing people, them still move. Them hold the energy, them hold the vibe, because these lyrical content is real. And the cadence of the artist's voice definitely make it real to you. But at the same time, you know what I mean? Remember, watch the movie I Am Legend. If you don't believe me, watch the movie I Am Legend, and you should go watch it as well. In that movie there, Will Smith said a thing to the girl. Him say, yo, you know Bob Marley? And she said no. But she said she knew him son Junior Gang. That is showing say the legacy is there, where people might know of the individuals because they are iconic figures, but at the same time they may know their music. Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers has managed to make generations after generations fans of his music, even though for a certain generation they have never seen him perform, never ever seen, except on video. By the blessings of God, we have technology where things are recorded and you can see that way, but they've never seen him perform live. But still the music resonates and them can feel it. They must say, yo, lyrical content in it unmatched. I see why my bigger brother or my father rate Vybz Kartel to the level I'm rating. I see why I'm saying there's no other dancehall artist like this dancehall artist. Because I know sister you are true. And that being said, viewers and subscribers, is a major accomplishment in any genre of music. If it wasn't for pre-recorded things, listen to me, if it wasn't for pre-recorded footages and songs, some people or some artists could not keep current. Vybz Kartel has listen to me. Look upon the recent releases of the teacher. Even if you never know no other song for Vybz Kartel, these songs that make you say, yo, him not have no more new song. That's the truth. And that's a fact of the matter. Vybz the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. The comment section is always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, you know there's something go. Yeah, man, now move settings from I wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love, and prosper until reason again.